Mercedes-Benz November programs are out, and I've just looked through them, and they are good. Mercedes-Benz has gotten serious about leasing this month, reducing lease payments on just about every vehicle we have, with the exclusion of things like GTs and G-Wagons. One of the ways they're doing this is they're throwing some money at cars like GLAs, GLBs, C-classes, CLA, so whether you're leasing or buying the car, you're going to benefit from that. However, on several other models like GLC, GLE, GLS, E-Class, S-Class, these vehicles have what's called a 39-month value add program, which means that they're going to take the 36-month residual and they will give that same residual on a 39-month lease. So the residual being your buyout price at the end of the lease. Mercedes-Benz is saying on these models that you can go out an additional 3 months and the residual will be the same. So what that means is that that amount that you're paying for is going to be now divided into 3 additional months, which brings that payment down. So these leases on average are about $50 a month lower than they were even last month. So if you're looking to lease, now is as good a time as any. This is great news for Mercedes-Benz because it is primarily a heavy leasing brand. And as you know from watching my content, I do believe that by far the best way and the smartest way to purchase a luxury vehicle is to lease it and give yourself the protection of having a guaranteed exit strategy at the end, where you can determine, does it make sense to buy this car out or does it make sense to walk away from it and get a new one? So we do still have some other enticing programs like that CPO demo program that we had last month for certain models, C-Classes, GLBs, GLCs, and CLAs. Those vehicles can still be sold certified, which gives you that unlimited mileage warranty and an additional year on the 4-year 50, which becomes a 5-year unlimited mileage warranty. One thing about that program is that the 2.99% rate up to 72 months has increased slightly to the 3.49%. I believe they did that in order to free up some cash to incentivize leases more, which is really best for the brand anyway, because that's historically what we do the majority of. So if you've been thinking about a Mercedes-Benz, now is the time. November and December are really when a lot of luxury manufacturers will step up their game to finish the year on a high note, and Mercedes-Benz is coming to play this month. I'm glad to see it. If you want to do business with myself and my team, we would welcome that, and we would love the opportunity to work with you. We're always going to give you our best price up front. We're not going to make you work for it. And whether you live right down the street or out of state, we can work with you and make it easy for you either way. The easiest way to do that, go to the link in my bio, click on the Work with Doug Horner link, and that will take you to a page on our dealership website where you can fill out a small form with your information, and my team will be in touch. I will be involved in all of those deals. I will work on those deals with them, but we would appreciate that opportunity. Would love to help you out. We've got some great deals this month, lots of demos available that can be leased or purchased, and all kinds of amazing programs to get this November kicked off strong. If you like this content, my name is Doug with BenzsandBowties. Please give me a follow and make sure you go to that link in the bio if you want to work with my team and I. Can't wait to talk to you soon.